guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Web on an iPhone. After unlocking your iPhone, open the Safari browser. Tap on the search bar at the top or bottom of the screen. Type WhatsApp Web and search for it. This will help you find the official WhatsApp web page where you can link your WhatsApp account. Open the official WhatsApp web link from the search results. This will take you to the WhatsApp web login page, where you can connect an existing WhatsApp account using a QR code. On the WhatsApp web page, open the main login screen until the QR code appears. The QR code is required to link your WhatsApp account. Keep this screen open because you'll need to scan the code using the device that has your WhatsApp account signed in. Open WhatsApp on the phone where your account is already active. Go to Linked Devices and tap Link a Device. Then use the camera to scan the QR code displayed on your iPhone screen. Once the scan is successful, your WhatsApp account will be connected and ready to use through WhatsApp Web. And that's how you can easily use WhatsApp Web on an iPhone step by step. Once connected, you can access and manage your WhatsApp chats directly through WhatsApp Web using your linked account. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.